Hey guys, get ready with me for the day. I'm getting ready to go hang out with my friends. We're gonna go like paint and stuff and then get Starbucks. So I actually went to bed around 4 a.m. and woke up like 10. I guess it's better. And another one of my nails fell off yesterday. I really need to get them done. It's bad. When I tell you, I took the best everything shower at like 2 a.m. last night. Excuse me. I feel so refreshed. It was the best thing ever. I want breakfast. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this cute little polka dot shirt I'm wearing. Like, it's so cute. Guys, we gotta trust the process, okay? Guys, I ordered a beanbag chair for my room and it finally came. It's back there if you can see it. Anyone else just hate the feeling of like their products on their hands? It feels so like gross and like annoying. I'm gonna go do my lashes off camera because I can't focus. I'm back. This time we are not forgetting to bronze first, guys. Yay, who's proud of me? Oh. I don't know how it just like flies out of my hands, but it's okay. I need some blush. I'm be looking pale. Kind of need somewhere to be back right now because this isn't okay. This is depressing. I don't like winter. I want summer so I can tan and swim. I think I'm like running off of 4 hours of sleep. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. I might curl it or just like keep it down straight. For my lip combo, I'll be back. Now for my hair, I don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna keep it straight. Now lastly for my perfume, I'm using pink sugar. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, love you guys.